When your water heater's status light flashes, it's telling you there's a problem that needs attention. 5 flashes is a specific error code that points to particular issues. The exact meaning depends on your water heater's brand and model, so always check your user manual first. However, there are common patterns we can identify. For Honeywell gas control valves, 5 flashes typically indicate a sensor failure. This means the gas control valve needs to be replaced. Whirlpool water heaters show 5 flashes for internal sensor failure or when the flame sequence is out of order. Another common cause is a cracked thermal well that leaks onto the temperature sensor, causing a short circuit. Ignoring this error can lead to further damage or even dangerous carbon monoxide leaks. This is why prompt action is absolutely crucial for your safety. Before troubleshooting any water heater issue, safety must be your top priority. You need to turn off 3 critical systems to ensure your safety. Once safety is ensured, start by checking all wiring connections. Loose connections are a common cause of sensor errors and can be easily fixed by ensuring all wires are properly secured. The temperature sensor is a critical component that can accumulate buildup over time. Clean it carefully using fine grit sandpaper to remove any corrosion or deposits that might be causing false readings. Sediment buildup in the tank can cause various problems, including sensor malfunctions. Flushing the tank removes accumulated sediment and debris that can interfere with proper operation. If cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, component replacement may be necessary. The gas control valve or temperature sensor are the most likely candidates for replacement when dealing with a 5-flash error code. After making any repairs or cleaning, try resetting the system. Turn off the water heater for a few minutes, then restart it. This simple step can sometimes resolve the error code. If the problem persists after trying these troubleshooting steps, it's time to call a qualified technician. Water heaters involve gas and electricity, so professional expertise ensures both safety and proper repair. Regular maintenance is the best way to prevent future issues. Flushing your tank annually removes sediment buildup and extends the life of your water heater, helping you avoid costly repairs and error codes.